Alright guys, just wrapped up the alarm, 3105V, Viper alarm. That's all we do here at the shop. Viper, Viper, Viper. We don't mess with anything else but Viper. So this one has security, keyless entry, one-way, good range, smart start compatible. That's sold separately, just a few little options here. We did that. We also installed the dash camera for security purposes. Invest in a good alarm and in a good dash camera, so that way they're not jacking your ride. So it's good to go. I ain't gonna do another video on it, but it's ready. Alarm, dash camera. What's going on with this thing? I don't know what's going on with it, but let's get this car out of here. So this alarm has everything, guys. Kill switch, keyless entry, shock sensor, siren, parking lights, door triggers. You name it, this alarm has everything. Let's go ahead and pull this puppy up front. And we'll go over it once again for the YouTube page here. This is a 2013 Subaru WRX STI. Check it out. This alarm comes with 2 remotes. Unlock, lock. If your car has power door locks, it'll work. If not, we can add power door locks. You can see them lights flashing. Okay, you can hear that siren chirping away. We'll hit that panic button just in case you're in the parking lot, can't find your car. You hit that button right there and it's gonna sound off. All right, let's activate that kill switch. Kill switch is active. Let's go ahead and just unlock it. If you unlock it like that and you don't release your alarm, it's gonna go off. It's got door triggers. Clutch in, key in position, no crank. Deactivate your alarm, boom, starts right up. Got your dash camera with the front view, inside view, and rear view all in there. It's a good alarm, guys. Make sure you guys get yourself an alarm system. A lot of guys invest in their vehicles, but they don't invest in an alarm. Come on now. Get yourself something like this here at D's Garage. Let's go. We are done. We got one more job to do. We're out of here. Ooh, sandwich.